I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Collaging is for the Birds, hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this is a fun challenge where we can do anything we want. We just have to use some birds, or a bird. So that's what I'm going to do. So I hope everybody's doing good, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I have these birds already cut out. I've got my background down and I've got it inked. And I'm just going to kind of play around with this and see where I want everything. I enjoy this collage and I enjoy Barbie's channel so much. Let's see here. No, I don't want the... Let's see here. I thought I had another bird. I can do that. Like that. Maybe something like that. Love mushrooms. They're so pretty. Let's see. I'm almost positive I had another bird. I guess it wasn't meant to be. So I'm going to just raise those up a little higher. And I'm going to add in a few leaves. Add a little movement and such to this. Alright. Should I have my one long flower standing up there? Sure, why not? I do need to trim that just a little. And be sure and check out Barbie's channel. And be sure and check out the at Nellie and Ruth Designs. And be sure and check out the hashtag Nrbirdcollage to see what everyone else has made. There have been some wonderful bird collages. And you can find them on Instagram as well. The ideas so many people come up with is just astonishing. Alright. I just like that one little long flower there. Okay, so let me get these down. I'm going to move my leaves away. And I love the background paper as well. It was from a new paper pad I got from Hobby Lobby. And it was one of those clearance items. I got the whole huge $20-something paper pads for $3.49. And it had some very pretty papers. I do love me a bargain. Okay, get my little bird. Bill glued. Let me get this turned. There we go. Get this flower down. This is a fun collage. challenge, or, you know, for lack of a better word. She doesn't really consider it a challenge. All we have to do is use a bird, but it's just relaxing, you know. There's no pressure because it's not a bunch of prompts, which those are fun to do as well, but you know, we can just collage how we want to, and any type of collage we want to do at the time. Okay, and I'm gonna tuck this one in behind and get this one down. Got glue all over my fingers. Let me get this big mushroom down. I like the greens and such. They just feel like it's a calming page. Okay. And get these little mushrooms down. There we go. And now for our leaves. Let's see, I want to add that one kind of like that. I don't think doesn't look like I inked that one. I thought I did. I may have. These with such a skinny leaves aren't the easiest to ink. Okay. See again how I want these. Get that bird beak down. Go. There we go. You need to look at Barbie's collages. She comes up with some wonderful ideas. So much fun. And there we go. Simple, but I think it's sweet. Now I'm just going to add in some gold splatters, and I may do some black splatters. I haven't done black splatters in a while. Let's see here. Get my paintbrush, get my water. Just a little bit. It's more like a silvery, because I've had so much gold mixed in with it. And now let's And there we go. Another bird collage in the books. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. All of this helps my channel to grow, and it doesn't cost a thing. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Nrbirdcollage to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you, and until next time, bye, y'all.